Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm going to react on another recommendation. This is called My Favorite Bini Funny Moments to Share with International Fans with English subtitle, and this is from Shibal. So this is gonna be fun. I know that they're so chaotic individually and together, so I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay. Joanna as your consultant.
Sige
Oh.
nga, nung gamot sa sipon. Ang gamot sa sipon, syempre,
Oh, she's actually having a, what's that? Grado ng salamin. It really means that she has a poor eyesight. Okay.
ihi ng
Just observe.
elepante.
Where could you find that? You will find that in Africa. These do freestyle pose. Maloy is a pro. Anyway, they requested to play their song Born to Win. Expectation. It's like in the choir or, anyway. They're eating like some gipsal in here. Sheena shows a funny pic of Mika and acts like nothing happened. Ooh. That's on live. A meme of Mika. I love that they really conspire together against Mika.
Nag-wig siya. Ito yung kay Joanna.
There's a doorbell. Okay.
Wait, tatagal mo naman. 3 seconds.
3 seconds.
2, 1, go!
Okay.
Ay, Kikiam!
Maloy and her OA love. Colette and her basketball skills. Oh. Whoa. Failed. That's after so many attempts? Really?
Marunong na ako eh.
After many
Nasakto
tries.
yung training ko guys, kaya hindi na ako marunong ngayon.
Oh. That is so unbelievable. There's not one shoot. Even close. Oh.
Ang lapit na nga, hindi ko pa rin masyat. Ayoko na guys. Hindi butas yung ring, kaya ganun.
Gave up. You would not bring Colette in the game zone at the mall, right? Where you shoot balls, and you wouldn't bring Colette there because she's gonna be lost.
Pangkanta lang pala talaga ako. Hindi ako pwede dito.
Yeah, you're just a singer. That is crazy. Whoa, finally. Okay, Beanie versus Mike.
That's me, so what can you say?
Ano masasabi niyo sa Star Magic? Kasi this is a yearly event for all of us. And yung mga artista, kayo, mismo nasa labas kayo, but then this time, pinagsama-sama tayo to do itong fun game.
Yes, syempre, thank you.
And that's the role of the leader, taking responsibility on the mic.
Dahil hindi po nagsasawar.
Yes, I also wanted to know, kasi so 3 years na, pang 3rd year niya
I love the reaction of Maloy. And also the captions, it's so on point.
na ito. And parang, gaano ba kaiba yung performances niyo before versus ngayon na grabe din talaga yung pangalan na Bini?
Of course, every year.
Yes, hagawin na rin kami, galing kayo sa La Union. Was it La Union? Yung parang nag-viral yung clip niyo. And also, Sheena, nasabi mo nga doon na sana sabihin ng mga tao pag pinost nila na ano, joke lang yun. Pero ano masasabi niyo doon? Parang yung mga iba-ibang klaseng rendition ng song niyo. How do you feel about that?
Rendition ng song. We are very amazed. Yeah.
Pero nakinaan yung reaction mo nun. Grabe, tawang-tawa ka nung tumayo.
Oh, I actually sketched the Bini Sheena. You might as well check that out in my shorts. Anyway, I'm just trying, you know. Don't judge.
Favorite mo kasi yung version niya po eh.
Alright. Yesterday ata, nag-announce din si Direk Lore na magkakaroon kayo ng Bini Day. Grabe, ang laki na talaga ng Bini. Ano pa?
Yes.
Alright. Any questions from the press?
Nung sa La Union, di ba parang binigyan kayo ng like personal microphones na parang libre action. Grabe yung support ng fans sa inyo. Tapos
That's so funny. Maloy, fake cry. Adopting the stray cat she found on the streets. Whoa, that was the cat that I've actually seen in the clip in the previous Bini moments I've watched. Anyway.
And it went like
Oh, so that was just a stray cat, and Aya is so compassionate, you know.
Ngayon bago ka nagpapaisip na, Carla, mamatay. Mga nung Japan, sometimes, it is where,
He bit my butt. They're so bored they make their own dating allegations. Woo. Let's try to see. Okay. Moments of silence. Who's that? So that was not, I think that was not a boy, actually. Sean and Colette. Ooh. Ooh, that's Sheena. She looks handsome. She actually has a brother. I forgot.
Huwag mo kayo pakita. Sweet ako niya. Kuya mo ang nakikita. Nasasabihan ka ba?
Are you possessed?
May lagnat ka ba? Lasing.
Those are really reasons why you're acting crazy, right? You're possessed, you're drunk, you have fever. This is so funny.
Ang cringe. Ano ba
takot ka pala sa bola, eh bakit dun ka pupwesto sa gilid ng court, di ba?
Mhm.
Tapos pag malapit yung bola, gaganon ka. Eh yung bola, nandun naman sa kabila pumunta. Nakasakas pa
Okay. She is actually talking to herself right here.
ng sigaw. Hindi naman sa'yo pumunta. Sinasabi
She's scolding herself.
ko na.
Sheena's banana versus Joanna. Ooh.
Parang may masama ka sa Ano po? Ito, buburat dapat kagatin mo muna kasi
That's a rotten. Spoiled banana. But it's okay daw to eat rotten fruits because it makes your voice sound better. Evil Maknae. How to surprise our Princess Stacy.
Oh my God! What is happening in this world?
She's wearing a newly bought glasses. There's a tag still, you know.
His favorite color.
Favorite color.
Parang favorite color mo pink, no?
No. Hindi, actually black.
It's obvious. Okay, Stacy's running. Why is she running like that?
Hey, are you okay?
No response.
Hello, Nai.
Nobody's gonna wrong dial. They're actually being taught how to do that. That's not the heart. Aya sudden try not to laugh challenge.
Stop with the comments.
Stop with the comments.
No.
Oh, I also thought that she would actually sing with the song, the music.
Kulit na experience mo na malunok yung tubig na minumog mo, hindi. Pero na-try ko na nakalunok ng papel.
That is so random. Anyway, effects of midnight practice. Ooh.
Sige, bago tapos na.
One down.
Chris, kaya nito.
Kaya pero pwede ba muna?
Mag-out si Sheena. Out. Stretch.
Alam mo kaya pero... Oh, yun.
Oh. 5, 6, 7, go.
I think Maloy is so sensitive to smell.
That was from here.
Road, so to speak.
So let's do Joanna
Nigga giving credit
versus.
west to you because you don't lack pussy and power. Let 'em-
What is she doing? Versus Colette to Sheena. Ah, she's like babying Sheena in here, but she's like hurting Joanna. Anyway. How to do Flying Kiss by Stacy. Ooh.
Flying kiss daw. Flying kiss, Jo. Ay, pabebe. Paano ka mag-flying kiss?
That's so cute and chic. Colette and her little pranks.
I feel good.
She's so cute. What? She's cute at the same time sweet. Cute. She did it to all the members.
Sino ano to?
Butterfly. Pakpak.
English!
Wing!
Okay, wings. Fold natin.
What's the prank? Remember just fold it.
Ano ginagawa mo dahil?
She has an evil plan. Do this. Okay. What is that prank all about? That is so daddy.
Hindi, buang. Pag ako sinampal mo, physical mo, papatayin kita, Tikulit. Sabihin mo, wing. Sabihin mo, wing. 10 times. Wing, 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 wing.
That is so clever. Crazy. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So cute. Wow. I love that they're even harmonizing.
na lang gumawa ng assignment. Like, tinatamad na kayo.
Sudden shift of mood. Joanna featuring jump scare.
Sabi sa ibang tao. Ang hirap. Ang hirap. Tapos,
That was Sheena, right?
tapos kapag, hindi ko na alam eh. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. Na every time na tumitingin ako sa salamin ko, I feel like there's something wrong. Na parang, hindi ko alam kung I'm just kidding. So,
Mika versus her mom. Oh.
Don't use it again, please. My mom says don't use it again. Why can't I use it again? Like, I can just do this. Like, when I'm not on Kumu, or you can't see me, right? Like, and then it's gone. Like,
You know the eyebrows of Mika are so thick. Like it's so natural, right? I love it.
I'm not gonna burn myself. Like, if I'm gonna burn myself, I'm gonna go like everything like that, you know, Mom?
Her mother is just concerned.
Mom, like, chill, mother dear. It's not gonna hurt me, right? Just
so
don't use
cute.
it now, okay? I mean, I'm using it right now, Ma. What are you gonna do about it, Ma? What, Tita Mirla? What are you gonna do? I used it again. Oh my god, like, Ma, I'm using it again. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna drive here? No, you can't drive here.
Her mom cold. Whoa. She's like panicked.
Gosh, my mom, I put it into not disturb.
Her mom cold.
She's still calling me, like, boo, it's on, Ma.
Grabe ba? Wala na ko para sa
Same.
May maligaw lang na ako 10 million lagi. Di ko talaga balik.
Sheena's drawing is very accurate. Okay.
Sino to, guys? My eyeglasses.
Oh, I think that's Joanna.
Galing may paper color. Nagaling ko sila na takpan.
Wow, really on point drawing. That's a doodle.
Kumanta ka daw, kanta ka.
Joanna and Stacy's love.
Anong kakantayin ko?
Next Level by Espa.
Mm.
Gusto yung tawa niyo.
Sarap But wait! Di mo alam kung kailan ka sisingilin ng sikmura mo.
Aya's laugh. Ayo.
Ay.
That's so funny. Anyway, their love are so different.
Grabe kaya siya favorite. Ba't ka tawa yan tayo?
Stacy versus Smoke. Ooh. That's a very thick Smoke. Colette and Sheena's best birthday gift to I. Oh, what's that?
Grabe naman nakahiya! Wala ko, akala ko ba dress up like
Ito sa'yo, pero both yung akin. Ito yung regalo ko sa'yo. Regalo namin, guys.
Ano na sa akin wala kaming ganito.
Colette is really makulit.
Ganito siya. Pasensya ka na.
What's that?
Habang naghihintay ng grab.
Ano yun?
That's a very funny gift.
Gusto niyo ba makita yung tattoo ko?
Henna tattoo.
Banana or moon?
Really? That's a real tattoo?
Donut. 20 dirham. Na-scam ka. Ano yun?
Wow.
Nakikita yung magcha-change.
Oh. She really claimed it. She's the, best in reaction. Face expression. So cute. Oh. She's really the Maloy's brush is Mika's hair. Whoa, really? How did she do that? One of the best spoken poetry by Joanne and Stacey.
Mangga! Mangga, 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 mangga. Kapag nakikita kita, ako'y parang nawawala. Sa mga mata mong mahahaba ang aking mga mata. Ay. Sige. Ikaw. Mangga, 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 mangga mong
Oh, that's not actually Stacey, that's Sheena. I'm sorry.
sa school para rumampa dun sa mahabang daanan saan sa salba kang haba ng iyong pusong nagwawala.
That's pure talent. That's a real poetry. Colette. Whoa, this is really Colette. She really knows how to surf. Joanna.
Hindi ko magana yung socket sa ngayon. Tapos tinitignan ko yung bintana para makita ko yung Saturn. Kasi kung ba nakita ko yung Saturn, consequently. Ayun na!
Really?
Sabi nakita namin yung Pluto. Saturn ba yun? Baka naman eh. Baka naman
Hoy! Hindi Saturn yun! Sa kanya yun!
Iumbog mo nga yung sarili ko.
Sheena also has basketball skills. Oh. Same with Colette. Okay. How come? This is so fun to watch. Okay, gave up. Colette also was your consultant. Anyway. Wow. The charger is her stethoscope.
Wala kang baga. Yan ang problema. Wala kang baga.
You have no lungs. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's so fun to watch. Like, non-stop laughing at the girls. So that's my favorite Binim funny moments to share with international fans from Shebal. Thank you so much for actually recommending this video to me. I'm gonna watch other Binim funny moments here. There are still a lot in here. I'm just gonna put it in my watch list. Watch later. Yeah, there are a lot in here. So I'm gonna watch that in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.